Welcome to our YouTube channel ENG Sunil on R. ENG Sunil on R. I am Sunil Kumar. I want to experience you the true meaning of luxury in the beauty of nature. So today I am going to share with you about the innovative construction of high-rise building. Innovative construction of high-rise building. Dear viewer, the principal goal of engineering is to create men who are capable of doing new things, not simply repeating what other generations have done. Contents: high-rise building, need of high-rise building, dynamic building, precast fast construction, green building, seeding of innovation for future generation, and finally conclusion. So let's first talk about high-rise building. What is this high-rise building basically? Building having height more than or equal to 15 meters are considered as high-rise building. High-rise buildings are tall enough to require the system of mechanical vertical transportation such as elevators. Okay, so why we need high-rise building? We know today each corner of the world are in the race of infrastructure. Do you know why? Because of population demand. The rise of land prices and great population densities created a demand for buildings that rose vertically rather than spread horizontally, thus occupying less precious land. Now, let's talk about our innovation. And our innovation is dynamic building. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the new and creative civil engineering perspective. It is my dynamic building. It's about keeping up time and changing of seasons. Life follows the movement of sun from rising to setting. Our building keep moving and changing the shape for better life, fit life in sun and for life as well. So we have designed a high-rise building whose each floor can rotate separately, changing every second the shape of building. For the first time, man will have building in 4 dimensions. It's about time and space. This is the first time when man have building in 4 dimensions through time and space. A space has 3 dimensions and the fourth dimension is time, because this building rotates 360 degrees with respect to time. Our building is totally self-powered and also supply energy for several other buildings. Yes, our buildings are smart and so smart that they produce energy for themselves. They are totally self-powered. Our building has wind turbine positioned between its floor, which will produce energy for itself and also supply energy for several other buildings. Wind turbine positioned between the floors, and it rotates continuously and produce wind energy and electricity. Now, it's nature itself to supply green energy. Our building return to nature. What return to nature? It take wind energy and green supply, green chain of energy, pay respect to the nature. Our building construction technique is innovative, which need lesser area, lesser construction cost, lesser electric consumption, and have higher earthquake resistance. Our building is based on ready-made construction. The building section will be produced in factory. This is the first time when the building section will be produced in factory. The parts of machines are produced in factories, but this is the first time when building sections will be produced in factory. It will require very few workers, 90 people instead of 2000. Please take attention on this big data. 90 people in place of 2000 workers. So it offers substantial cost saving, it have high quality finishing, and it minimizes life risk at construction site. Moving to the next, it have very less construction duration. Traditionally, we know for the construction of one floor, we need 6 weeks, that is 42 days. But for the construction of this dynamic architecture, with the help of innovative ideas, innovative techniques, one floor construction can be done within 6 days. So this is our innovation, which save substantial cost as well as time. Now, welcome and just think about the innovation for future generation. Since the dusk of humanity, man has sought to exceed the limits of previous generations. The achievement of new limits in construction technology has been written in the history as a reminder, and I have set a reminder to new generations. Conclusion: my building construction and design technique is so innovative that it required lesser area, lesser construction cost, lesser power consumption, and higher earthquake resistance. Our high-rise building construction should be economic, social, and environment friendly. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Have a great day.